Oh, it's such a nice day here at Tower Chrysler. Perfect time to introduce to you this 2015 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Sport and a blue streak exterior. It rides on 20-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires. Under the hood, we have ourselves a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine, giving this Ram Sport 395 horsepower. On the driver's side door, you have yourself the power locks, power windows, and power folding mirrors. This Ram 1500 Sport seats up to 5 people with premium black leather seating. If you're on the driver's side, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings and your gearing. On the left side is your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. And as we head into the odometer, it reads 28,665 kilometers. This Ram Sport comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we head into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. And going to controls, you get heated front seats along with heated steering wheel. Down below is your climate control system with strong air conditioning. You can choose to do it by the buttons down here or up top on your Uconnect touchscreen. As we head to the back, we have 3 more seats with plenty of leg space and plenty of comfort. Heading to the truck bed, we have a 5'7" box that also comes with a tonneau cover. Once we open the tailgate, we have a tailgate assist to make the opening nice and easy. Inside, we have the spray-in bed liner. So there you have it, the 2015 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Sport. If you like what you see, and I'd like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.